Make sure that whatever you're doing with new product, it's actually on site and ready to go before you tear everything out. How'd you get yours to stay sticking upright like that?
I don't know.
Yeah, right. How long do you want to be here? What would your best guess be right now?
5 years.
And who uses the kitchen the most?
I'm a baker.
She makes bagels, and her surface area is this.
Because this gets in the way. I end up just working in this little space right here.
Do you guys use this for seating pretty often?
No, I feel like it's kind of too high to actually sit and eat. We do serve buffet out here, but it's really high to serve a buffet.
Yeah. Is your hope that if you change it, you'd take it down to the same level and still leave seating
Yeah.
though?
The additional question is,
Yeah.
do we just do paint and flooring and leave
Leave
this?
it? Right.
And we realize we don't like it. Even if we're here 5 years, it would be worth redoing this. Because
Okay.
as far as cabinets go, we're fine with these cabinets. My painters could paint so
For
it's
sure.
all one color.
Do you ever wish you had a pull-out trash?
Yeah,
That would be
it's gonna
nice.
take it.
Oftentimes when we're doing a lot of things where you have the sink, dishwasher, and on the other side you'll have a pull-out trash. Those come in 18-inch wide or 15-inch wide. And I bet this cabinet's a little bit bigger than that. Yeah, it's 21. So that means now on this side you could have a 15-inch cabinet on this side if you did an 18-inch pull-out double trash on that side. And that gives you 15 inches. Do you think that would be enough? Or would you want to change that up a little bit?
I like that.
You could switch this island even with keeping the cabinets as they are. You know, the one part that's gonna be a little bit tricky, your plumbing goes into the floor, right? Your plumbing might have to be rerouted in the toe kick of the cabinet and back up. It's very doable. All the pipes and the drain line and stuff, that's all something you can switch and relocate. But if they've done it before in other houses, it's probably gonna be just fine. You're probably about 2 months of waiting for materials to get here for whatever you buy. Make sure that it's actually on site and ready to go before you tear everything out. On any new, almost all new cabinets you're gonna get now, you're gonna at least have full extension, so the drawer comes all the way out, right? And then of course, a lot of the new ones, they don't bang. But also I look at things like this. This is just watered, yeah. And that can easily be painted over. They can scuff that up and paint it again. But yeah, as long as the cabinets are, you like them, then I think it's worth considering painting them. Let me ask you a couple other things. So when you're gonna do the floors, the thing I like about having the floor go underneath the cabinets, especially where you have a sink, when the sink leaks, instead of pulling up where there's no floor and you not knowing it until there's damage done, it'll start leaking out onto the floor. You'll pull up so you'll see it. Let's get this down to the same height, right? Just do a smooth panel on the back. You're gonna have to get a new countertop, new sink, new faucet, and then have it all painted. There's 3 different ways you can do supports for countertops. So a lot of builders now, a lot of projects, they're not using the decorative corbels. People don't like them because they're like knee knockers.
Yeah.
The other option is you can get like a metal support that it'll go on top of the cabinets here, and then it goes and sticks out like it's a cantilevered support.
One possibility is to put the island this direction.
I think it's a good idea. In my opinion, you could go maybe 2 feet longer than we are now. So if you were to go with where it's at right now and you go 7 feet, I think you could still go probably another foot easy. 8 foot puts you right there, okay? And then it doesn't feel like you're really encroaching on the walkway, but it transitions the space a little bit between the walkway and your great room. So let's look at your walkway space now. You're 30 inches, but I'd probably go 48. That's already gonna give you another alleviation of about 10 inches.
And then the other thing is the pantry door.
So let's say if we did that at 4 feet out, so you could one person could walk through there straight, you know, not having to go sideways.
Yeah.
And when they're coming through this way, people just naturally shut anyway. They might shut somebody in there, but I know you've also got your outlets and your switch in the island. So those would have to be rerouted somewhere. You've maybe seen one like an air switch. I've gotten that in our showroom. You just press that and then it's water, whatever proof. You can also get ones that actually pop up from the countertop. It looks the same as these. You pop it up and then the outlets are vertical, or you could turn around and put them on the side. And your lighting?
That was another issue.
My guess, without measuring, is that center one right there is gonna be pretty close to where you could be. You can get fixtures you've probably seen that come down from one source and just eliminate these and patch them up, and then have 3 lights coming off of the one, and then just get rid of those.
It'd be kind of updated.
Yeah.